Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some Seim curry. Here I have some Eddo. I'm gonna show you how to cut the Eddo, the rest of it. And these are all the ingredients. You have some Seim. You have some Seim here that I cut up already. I'm gonna show you to cut the rest. I also have tomato. I have scallion. I have onion. I have hot pepper. Okay. And I have a flag of garlic, like 5 flag garlic. I have coconut milk. I have sesame. Okay, and this is 2 teaspoon curry powder, half a teaspoon turmeric masala, half a teaspoon jeera, and half a teaspoon salt. Okay, I have the same here. I'm going to continue showing you guys. You peel it out like this, take the ends off, and just pull the ends, and you cut it in like this. All right, if you have any string, you just peel it off, cut in small pieces. Pull out the string, then you wash it. See the string? Okay. You cut them in small pieces. If any string are hanging like this, you pull it off. Alright, this is a delicious Eddo or chicken. Really good. You get it at the store to buy, West Indian store. Sometimes you got an Indian store, you can go get it. You can eat it with roti, you can eat it with rice. I'm making it with rice. I went ahead and washed this earlier. I'm cutting it up. I did a couple earlier to show you guys. Now I'm showing you the rest. I don't want to take up too much time in the video. Okay, almost finished. It's so hot outside today. It's not a time to cook in the kitchen. It's so hot. Alright, I finished this. I'm gonna peel the rest of the Eddo and show you guys. Okay, cut it up like this, small pieces. Okay, gonna wash that, get rid of this. Gonna peel the onion and garlic. Okay. All right, onion, garlic. Alright, the onion peel, everything peel. I have the cube. I'm gonna put the chicken cube, also a chicken cube. Alright, let's give it good flavor. I'm gonna wash all of this stuff. You already see all the ingredients. I show you guys. Get rid of that. Also, we have the coconut milk and the sauce. I'm gonna use half of the coconut milk, not too much. Alright, I'm gonna wash this. Wash this. Alright, wash your tomato, wash your garlic. Everything there, I'm gonna wash the board. Put up the pepper, tomato, crush up the onion, the garlic, I mean. Flavorful garlic. All right. And now we're gonna go onto the stove. All right. Start cooking these stuff. Scallion. All right. We're gonna go to the store now. I have the pot here with oil. Okay, that's the oil with the pot in the pot. Throw all this stuff in. Okay. Throw the Eddo in. Throw all the spices in. Boil water, hot water to throw it in to cook it. I like to use hot water when I'm cooking. That way everything is hot. Don't drop the temperature in the food. I let this cook. I'll cover it and let it cook. Do transaction. I'll do some water. My rice is almost finished. Yeah, this is done. Show you the rest and cover it and let loosen up some water, and then I'll come back and show you the other step. Okay, I'm gonna let this bonjour with the curry flavor, and I'll come back and show you. Okay, alright guys, I'm gonna put the Seim in. Alright, put the sauce on. I'm not going to use the whole pack, I'm going to use half of it. That's a good flavor. Oh, I'm going to use the whole thing because it's not a lot. Only thing left is put the coconut milk and cook this down. Alright, I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna let it simmer and lose some juice from the vegetable. Alright, I'll come back and show you the next step. Alright, nice cook. I had it like 5 minutes. Mix it up, show you guys all the mix up with the curry. Cook down in the curry. I'm gonna add the coconut milk. I'm gonna add the whole can. I'm gonna cook down with the coconut milk. If you have fresh coconut, use a fresh coconut, okay? If you can't get a fresh one, use a canned one. Also, I'm gonna add one same amount of water from the same can. Same amount of water from the can. That way they can finish cook all that. I got hot water, that way I don't drop my temperature on my food. Same amount of water with the milk, and that's it. I'm gonna let it cook. All right, it's looking delicious. Let it slow cook down. All right. I'll come back and show you guys, okay? Let this cook for like 15 to 20 minutes, okay? All right, I'm come back and show you guys it, and then, okay? That's the finishing touch of curry. Same curry. Look at that. Beautiful same curry with Eddo. See that, guys? Let's cook it down a little more. Okay. This is almost finished. I'm gonna cook it too dry. You have rice and you have roti. You may want to eat it. I'm gonna leave it with a little gravy. So later on when it cools, it's gonna get dry. Okay, guys. This is the finishing touch of the same curry with Eddo, okay? You're gonna have rice, option if you want roti. I have roti too, but I'm not making roti today. Alright, and thank you guys again for watching my channel. Alright, see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.